Okay, generally I'm satisfied. As your colleagues say, we don't have 4 or 5 national team players. We don't have heart of the team, but we have another heart that is important. We must work with all players the same way, and the quality of one team exactly. I think one day showed today. Without that 4 or 5 players, we still play. I think good football, and we must improve. We must run more. We must get more discipline. We need time for much for better things. It's looking good if your journalists recognize some work. We have a lot of work for all phases in the game. Also, we want more to control the game with the ball. We want more defense transition to be more closer to take ball faster. We want also to know how to use offensive transition when we want to play high. How we must press high more when we play in the middle zone. A lot of that. Free kicks, defense, offensive, but generally I'm satisfied today. I believe yes. When we see now these players from national team, that we can account on them. They will travel, but I can say it's not the same if they are with us. But I have other players. I must believe in other players. That's it. It's a job like that. We're working. We're waiting next game, and that's it.
Let's talk about Daniel Fiebani. He went to World Cup. There's a lot of controversies around him. What would you say about him going to World Cup and coming back to the team?
I didn't saw him. When I saw him, I can tell you what we thought. For us, the most important next game. We prepared. Now we have time, 1 more week to prepare for next game. We are waiting to see federation what will decide about us because we have 5 players out, and we will see. But we must be ready. That is, we must ready. We must work hard. Continue to work hard.
Thank you so much.